Hello everyone, we're back on this Friday, January 7th, trying to take advantage of some of these moves. I just finished up a webinar training, and so now before Friday is up, I want to try to go short on some of these signals on the Trade Scalper or on the Atlas line or on the blueprint. Everything is telling me short. It's a great move. So while I try to get in here, 46.66 quarter is the exact signal to go short. And that's a Trade Scalper signal to go short. Now, I waited a little bit too long. I'm trying to see if I can get filled at 46.66 quarter. And this is a great example to show you what to do when the market runs away from you. Because I also see another signal that just appeared to go short on the blueprint. So the BP short is blueprint short 46.65.50. Okay, so there's two signals very close together to go short. I'm holding on to this official first signal to go short on the Trade Scalper. I'm not moving my orders and I'm not chasing the market. And what you're going to see and what happened is because I was a little slow trying to get the recording up and running and trying to get into the trade. Sometimes multitasking as a trader, if you're not just focused on one thing, is hard to do. But you can see that I am canceling this order because it's running away from me. So the goal here of this first part of this video is really to explain to you, let's not chase the market as a trader. If it runs away from you, if you can't get filled, leave it alone, let it go, and we're looking at another opportunity. So a few minutes later, maybe about 10 minutes later, we're looking at now the pullback trade on the Atlas line. So the P's that you see there are actually signals for a pullback trade. The P's are pullback. And since I missed the short signal earlier, which are both the blueprint and the scalper, I'm going to see if I can get in now on the Atlas line pullback trade. So as long as there's nothing here indicating long or giving me a difficult situation where things are conflicting, this is a great move for a pullback trade on the Atlas line. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to place this trade here to go short on the pullback. Now I'm going to speed up this video just twice the speed to save us some time so we can see what happened here. Remember, the stop, that red line, is based on the market conditions. The target, I think 3 points is a good way to take advantage of this trade. I know some of you who have the Atlas line are probably going to trail a stop. That's fine, but at least have a first target. I would say 2.5 to 3 points based on the market conditions. You can use the trading DOM, or you can use the chart trader. It's the same thing, but again, use a stop. Now the Atlas line, as well as the Trade Scalper and the blueprint, at the Open 2, the roadmap, all of these software programs are available at DayTradeToWin.com, and we include them with mentorship. So if you're looking at starting off with just the Trade Scalper or the blueprint or the Atlas line, that's fine. And then you can transition into the mentorship, or if you'd like to learn all of the methods for 8 weeks, we include that with the program, the mentorship program. Now, if this trade does not make a target within the next 4 or 5 candles, it's called a time-based stop. Get out of the trade based off of time. If the market goes sideways and or starts to come closer to our stop, again, I think it's time to get out of the trade. But in this case, after we entered into this short position, almost immediately it's starting to go in our favor within the next minute or two. I like to see that. Makes me more comfortable and confident that the trade is going in our favor. And using a limit order, remember, it may have to go through that price to get filled. If you're using market orders or market if touched orders, you get filled immediately. The next class is starting right around the corner. If you'd like to join the next mentorship class, visit DayTradeToWin.com, get the information, get the packet, download the free news indicator for NinjaTrader. We have a lot of freebies there, a lot of videos. If you're interested in learning how to day trade, give us a call, email us, we're here to help you. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.